We begin with an update on the COVID-19 situation here. There are 0 community cases among the 21 new infections confirmed today. It's the 7th time this month that no community cases were reported, but there was one imported case.
Also making headlines in Singapore, infectious diseases experts say there is no need to ban imports from companies whose frozen food products have been contaminated with COVID-19. This is because the risk of transmission from a food source is very low compared with the usual routes of infection. Even so, people involved in food preparation should observe strict personal hygiene and ensure that surfaces and utensils are cleaned properly. The issue has come under the spotlight in recent days after China announced that it had found traces of the coronavirus on the packaging of frozen squid from Russia and frozen fish from Indonesia.
The Ministry of Sustainability and the Environment said today that 3 F&B outlets have been ordered to close for 10 days, while 4 others have been fined $1,000 each for flouting safe management measures. The outlets were caught for breaches like having customers consume alcohol after 10:30 p.m. in the premise, allowing gatherings of more than 5 people, and sitting groups of customers less than 1 meter apart.
Well, separately, 2 British nationals who flouted safe distancing measures during the circuit breaker period by gathering with others in Robertson Quay were fined today. Both appeared in court to face one charge of breaching circuit breaker measures each. One was fined $8,500 while the other was fined $8,000. Court documents didn't state if they are on work passes.
Meanwhile, Tesla posted fresh job ads for roles based in Singapore, signalling the electric vehicle maker is preparing to set up shop here, which it has so far skirted. According to job postings on LinkedIn, the firm is looking for senior developers here, but didn't disclose how many people are sought. Tesla's chief executive Elon Musk had previously criticized Singapore for not being supportive of electric vehicles.
And a state coroner has concluded that the death of a man who was restrained by members of the public near Little India MRT station last year was due to a natural disease process. In an inquiry into Andrew Ho Chi Ming's death, the state coroner added that following an autopsy, he was found to have died from hypothyroid cardiomyopathy. The doctor who conducted the autopsy also felt that the stress of running while being chased and Mr. Ho's subsequent restraint contributed to his death. He had been chased and immobilized first by 3 men and then by 2 more after he was spotted trying to take upskirt pictures of a woman.